Hi, everyone, and welcome back to the Text Passion podcast. While this is not a finance channel and this is definitely not a financial advice, I wanted to talk about the Raspberry Pi news of them going public. Basically, they are IPO or initial public offering on the London Market Stock Exchange. And it looks like I saw this on CNBC that they went up by 38% in a rare London market depot. So let's look down here. I just wanted to look at the company valuation. It looks like the Raspberry Pi Foundation will continue to own most of it, but here shares of Raspberry Pi surged Tuesday, rallying by more than 38% as British computing startup sought to raise 166 million euros or $211.2 million dollars from their initial public offering. Down here, the valuation of the company as of the initial pricing. So, based on the initial pricing of the shares, the valuation is 541.6 million euros. So, this is on CNBC, and I thought I share the news with you. There was a post on the Raspberry Pi website talking about this IPO. This one dated on June 11th. Today, we're proud to announce that Raspberry Pi has listed on the London Stock Exchange as a Raspberry Pi Holding PLC. I did look it up on Yahoo Finance, which I will show you in a second. I thought this was a cool picture here. And they do talk a little bit about the history of the company and how what they're planning to do with like raising some money and what they're planning to do. They're going to continue to contribute to education, things like that. I'm going to leave the link in the description. There is this other article that I thought also very useful, which I will share with you in the description. Talks about the IPO and what it means. Down here, they have a link to, I'm not going to read everything, but I will leave the link in the description. Down here, they have a link to the investor portal. So, in case you're interested in looking at that, and let's down here also, they talk about the next stage of growth. By the way, to date, Raspberry Pi Ltd has donated nearly $50 million from its profit to foundation. So looks like they're going to continue to contribute to education and they want to grow the company by raising some money. What happened after the IPO? So, assuming we proceed, they're going to be listed on the stock exchange, and then the foundation will remain significant shareholder, and we will continue to share the Raspberry Pi brand. Yeah, so the mission is the same, and it doesn't seem to be a lot of changes. They're just listing on the exchange so they can raise some money and hopefully grow and continue to produce more of the product that we all love and want. And hopefully they can also continue to make it easy, cheap, affordable, and available. Lastly, I want to show you the price. I pulled this on Yahoo Finance and I just typed a Raspberry Pi Ltd. It looks like this is the ticker symbol RPI.L. By the way, I am in the United States, so I'm not sure if I can even purchase this. I don't own the stock. I don't own anything. I'm not sponsored by anything. I'm just sharing the news. That's all. I'm excited. I think this is cool, and hopefully we all get more innovation, more available Raspberry Pi for everyone. This is the current price based on what I can see on Yahoo Finance. Obviously, this can update day to day. I guess this is the 1 day chart. I can go to the 5 days here. If I go anything more than 5 days, it probably wouldn't make sense. Yeah, because this is just a fresh new IPO, so the chart will not make sense if you go over the 5 days here. But this is the news I want to share with you. I'll leave it there for this video. Let me know what you think, and thank you for watching. I hope to see you in the next one.